Hey everybody, Mr. G here. Today we're going to talk about Unit 5, Section 2, which is honing in on the idea of a constructor. So I'm here in Google Classroom. I'm going to open up the GitHub Classroom link. I'm going to accept the assignment, then give it a second to get this ready. We can refresh. We see we're ready to go, so I'm going to click here, and I just need to get my link. So I'm going to click Code, Copy URL, and I can go over here to GitHub Desktop. I could do Add, Clone, URL, paste it in, clone that, and now we can open it up in Visual Studio and get ready to go. I'm going to go over here to README, right-click README, open preview, and we can get a sense of what's going on here. So we're talking Unit 5, Section 2. This is on constructors. What are we going to cover? We're going to cover object states, how constructors work, and what happens when there's no constructor. That's an interesting one. So let's get started with this. I'm going to go over to Notes, Zero Notes, Notes.md. And again, I'm going to right-click Open Preview so I can get everything here. We discussed in Section 1 a little bit about constructors. So we know already that constructors are the first way we interact with a class. They construct an object for us. They do all that heavy lifting. So it's really important that we understand them really well in order to make sure that we can use them effectively. So in the next video, we're going to talk about first the idea of object states.